What's good, YouTube, man? Back again with another short video, you know what I mean? So just got off of work, you feel me? I'm just chilling watching YouTube now. But what you're about to see is me going to this car meet that you know, Ren told me last minute. So it's kind of like a last minute thing, real quick car meet. I pulled up late, you know what I'm saying? So that's why this video is gonna be kind of short. Yeah, the guy, man, I keep forgetting his name, but he makes the RWB kits, you know what I'm saying? So once you watch this video, you know who I'm talking about. I can never pronounce his name right, but yeah, him. He was there at the meet, you know what I'm saying? It was at Summit Racing, you know what I'm saying, in Arlington, Texas, you dig? So yeah, I just pulled up, was just hanging out, walked around a little bit, look at some of the cars, and walked inside Summit, you feel me? As soon as I got there, you know what I'm saying, he was kind of leaving, so I got like a little clip, like I tried to zoom in his face, but it sucks that I didn't get a picture with him, but you know, next time, you feel me, hopefully. But yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video, you feel me? Subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bam!
Oh.
What up? I ain't been in a car meet in a long time.
The guy's gotta go, so sorry. Bye. He drove me here, right? Is that the Hummer that's in the truck? Yeah. Also forgot my phone. Alright guys.
It don't matter now, he owns an RWB. So
I guess I'll be a boost too if I
right.
I'm getting some here.
You think you have an exhaust on it, but that's just me. Yeah. Thank you. Show.
Barely fixing that hole anyway.
Yeah, you know someone's gonna step out in front and be like, yo, you just hit me, I'm shooting you for your car.
Garland.
He does?
Probably so. You don't see this
He's got GTRs and shit too. He's got money. That kid's 25 grand. Or up, or more.
What'd he say?
25 grand.
That kid's 25 grand. You gotta get interviewed and shit for it too. You can't just buy it.
Well, the 911 alone has to be fucking 10 and 15.
You died?
To find a really big one. 20. He probably stalls. He's scared right now. You know he is shitting himself. Farting and everything.
We could never have no fun. Shit's crazy. What happened?
With your YouTube.
This is John right here.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey,
I had changed it.
yeah, this was a guy with the Genesis, the gold one, with the gold wheels and shit.
Here.
What up? Hey, this is Clutch TV, bro. Follow my shit. We at Summit right now.
Wait on now.
What's that dude name that was here?
My dad said
The dude that makes the RWB kit. What's his name? I forgot. I don't know how to pronounce his name.
Nakusai.
man, you can braid it here.
We in Summit right now though. I swear they change cars every week or something. There's always something new up here.
There's probably people with them at home and they like, hey man, you can put my car on display.
Yeah.
Switch it out. Yeah, we already. All the clutches and some of them right there. I have a good appreciation for automatic transmission.
Look at these diffs
That
though.
foot looks nasty.
Boy, this place is like a Walmart. Summit got everything in here.
There's not a single thing that's there.
Ooh, baby, damn, like that.
Huh?
They're
Chino, why you come through looking like that?
Some nigga at school, bro. They ran into
Hating
it.
on you.
Let me see some hair real quick.
No, I didn't know.
Oh,
Hey. In the right-hand drive van. Anything.
What you gonna do to it?
fuck your N39, bitch.
Crazy camera.
This whole pretty saucy. The Toyota Wish.
You got the tape on it.
JDM, boy, that's JDM right there.
Right-hand drive with the bezel.
Right hand drive. Bitch is sauce.
Start doing some reviews.
Getting like worms.
Like that.